As cancer is now becoming a common and feared disease, the race is on to find a cure that is quick, easy, and accessible to everyone. Most of the current medical options available are either too costly or simply too stressful. However, as most people have no choice, they either opt not to have any treatment or decide to go through the suffering with the hope of gaining back some semblance of their previous lives. Herbal remedies offer an alternative. Some people recommend that these herbal remedies be used alongside the current ongoing treatments and some don't. The deciding factor would be the level of advancement the cancer stage is in. Also, to be noted is the type of cancer the patient is suffering from, as different herbs work differently to address the various conditions caused by cancer. If you want to find out what diseases prevent all herbs, these are some examples.